So let's do the unboxing and how to fix the tampered glass on iPhone 11 Pro, which I bought recently. And this is the Spigen glass DR Align Master. So there is a alignment tool also. Let's just open this packing first. Okay. And this is a pack of 2, as I told earlier. So this is the kit, the complete kit. And I think even I have to watch read the manual first. Okay, so this is the manual in which it is written how to do that. Now what we have to do is cleaning wipe first, then the second is the phone, then the back film, and then we have to place it, and then we have to slide your finger from the top to bottom and then remove the case, and then remove the top film and then squeeze all around if you get any bubbles. So this is the cleaning wipe. Let's see how it looks and what all it does. So this is to remove the bubbles in the glass if any comes, and all bubbles. So this is like all bubbles removal tool. Like this, you can push the bubbles outside the frame. This is the dust remover sticker. You can just put the dust remover and peel it off. So they have given 2. I'll try to use only one. Lens cleaning wipe and then the removal. I think for this we need to remove the cover first. Let's remove the cover and just see how to do this. So I think this is the top, this is the bottom. Okay, this is how it fixes on the device, and then we have to put the protective screen, which is the tampered glass. So this is the back cover. We have to remove the back cover first and then place it like this. It will place like this on the phone, and then we have to remove the top one after sliding it. So let's do one thing. Let's remove this and then clean the phone first with the lens cleaning liquid and this one. They have given a quite big one, which is good. I don't think so I'll be using it. So let's do it. Can we move a little closer? So yeah. I'll try to remove all the marks which I have made since the day I have purchased the phone, and with this microfiber cloth we'll try to remove and try to clean the phone a little more. And as I cannot see any dust, so I'll not be using this dust remove stickers. So now what we'll do, we'll place the aligner and then we'll remove the back part of the glass. This is a 9H hardness, and then we place it like this and then press and slide. You can see how quickly and how nicely it's happening, and I don't think so I'll be getting any bubbles on the phone. You can see that, so it's sticking itself. Wow. Now what I have to do is I just have to remove this, and we are recording on the phone. So now what we have to do is we have to just remove this over, and let's see after removing the aligner how nicely the tampered glass is placed. I can see a small bubble over here and a little one here. Let's take this tool and try to push that. very small one. That will work. So let's see the tempered glass. Wow, it's looking amazing. Trust me, this is not a sponsored video. I just did my research and googled and went to Amazon and watched few other videos. So now what we'll do, we'll just try to put the case also, and let's see if the tempered glass is having any difficulty sitting on the phone. No, I don't think so. So now you can see the tempered glass is also there and the case is also there. Let's just swipe and just clean the phone. I think I have placed few marks inside under the phone. Let me do that again, cleaning back, and I'll show you the final. We'll use this as yeah. So clean everything, clean, and just clean the edges also. Try to clean everything and possible. After cleaning that, let me see if I have placed any marks from the other side or from the outside of the case. Let's give it a good wipe from inside at least, so that we don't have to remove the case again. And with the microfiber cloth once, and then just place the cover. So your device is ready to be used. If you like the video, do subscribe and please hit that like button. And this was all about the case and the tempered glass on iPhone 11. Thanks.